Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why China restricted rare earth element exports. One primary reason stems from the immense environmental damage caused by mining these elements. The extraction process often involves acid baths and leaching, which release significant amounts of pollutants such as ammonia, nitrogen compounds, cadmium, and lead into the soil and water. This contamination has rendered some land infertile and posed serious health risks to local populations, making sustainable practices a critical concern for the nation. Beyond environmental concerns, China's export policies are a strategic move to dominate the global rare earth value chain. Historically, China exported raw materials, but now it seeks to process these elements domestically into high-value products like permanent magnets. By restricting raw material exports, China ensures its own industries have preferential access, fostering advanced manufacturing and technological leadership. This approach strengthens its position in critical sectors like electric vehicles and wind turbines. China's booming high-tech and green energy industries also drive its rare earth export policies. Elements like neodymium and dysprosium are indispensable for electric vehicle motors, wind turbine generators, and consumer electronics. With a rapidly expanding domestic market, ensuring a stable and affordable supply for its own manufacturers is paramount. These controls help secure the necessary resources for China's strategic industries, supporting innovation and economic growth within the country. Finally, China leverages its rare earth dominance for geopolitical influence. Controlling approximately 60% of global rare earth mining and 90% of processing capacity provides significant economic power. By imposing export restrictions, China can disrupt global supply chains for essential components in defense, automotive, and electronics industries. This strategic control allows China to exert pressure in trade negotiations and diplomatic discussions, solidifying its role as a key player on the international stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.